In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your private key on your Metamask account. The first thing you want to do is you want to load into Metamask. Then you want to go to the top right and select on these three dots right over here. Then go ahead and select on account details. Then you'll now notice that there will be an option that does say show private key. Now, before I show you guys the private key, I want to make this really clear. Do not show your private key to anybody else. If someone else is asking you to see your private key, they are trying to scam you. They are trying to steal everything you have. So guys, please do not show your private key to anybody. This should only be for personal use. I am not playing around, guys. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on show private key just like so. And you will need to go ahead and input your password before you go ahead and get access to your private key. So yeah, even Metamask itself is going to give you a disclaimer as well. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on hold to reveal private key, and here it is. So every single Metamask account will come with a string of characters that do look like this, and this will basically give you access to your private key. I recommend that you guys write this private key down on a piece of paper and store that piece of paper in a safe location, and I recommend that you have multiple copies of it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.